Hi everyone, welcome to Ukukhanya Nedisk. We promote fitness and healthy lifestyle. Today I will show you 4 arm using dumbbell. You must start with a quick warm-up, wrist rotation and light stretches to get your muscle ready. Arms toward your body and lift dumbbell with your wrist. Your arms must not be pressed to your body or too attached. Don't use your arm for extra support or momentum. It's build grip strength and wrist strength. It will make your arm stronger and more stable.